In this video, I'd like to talk about why we need to nourish our chakras. As you may know, the body hosts 7 chakras: at the crown, at the brow, the throat, the heart, the stomach, the sacral, and at the root. The main purpose of the chakras is to help us interact with the world around us. We don't learn about chakras in grade school, so we don't recognize the symptoms that happen when the chakras are deficient or when they're not being well enough taken care of. Our body, we know our body really well, our physical body. We start getting symptoms of feeling tired and lethargic. We think, when was the last time I ate? We know we need physical food to give us the energy to do things. We start feeling cranky. We know we need to get some more sleep. We don't necessarily realize that when we start perhaps questioning our divine nature, our reason and purpose for being in this lifetime, when we start questioning and being doubtful and uncertain or losing a connection with that divine sense and presence, that's a deficiency of, you might say, energy flows within the crown chakra. Deficiencies in the brow chakra have to do with our ability to dream, even at night, but also to dream our life. Because if we can't dream what we want, we're not going to get there. If we can't see it, sense it, imagine it, we won't be able to manifest it. The throat chakra gets deficient when we're unable to communicate what we really want to say, or if we get blockages in our ability to express ourselves. It feels as though we meet a wall. We just don't have the strength to allow that creative flow to manifest in our preferred way, whether that's writing, artwork, music, or even the scientific inquiry, which I also feel is a creative process, as well as entrepreneurship. I feel is a really creative process too. You can tell when your heart chakra is deficient, when you're just unable to let go of things that go on in your life. It's difficult to forgive, and it's difficult to be grateful and appreciate what you do have in your life. That sense of reciprocal, unconditional love and practicing kindness, if you realize that's just not as easy as it used to be, it could be because the heart chakra is depleted. The stomach chakra can get depleted when we lose our sense of self-confidence. We no longer feel as capable as we once did. We no longer feel that we can do what we're here to do, to be who we're meant to be. It also has something to do with self-expression as well. So it's about self-confidence, self-empowerment, and the idea that, yes, I do want to be who I am. This does not have to do just with our intimate relationships. It also includes relationships with people at work, others in our extended family, even the people that we interact with on a daily basis, strangers that may come into our life, that call on the phone, who we interact with on the highway, road rage, that kind of thing, could be an indication that the sacral chakra is deficient. A healthy sacral chakra is all about building healthy relationships, even with strangers. So it's a good barometer about how well and how healthy our sacral chakra really is. The root chakra has 2 functions. One is about helping us to let go unwanted energies. It's one of several means for letting go that we have. And the other very important function is to help drive us forward on our life path. So if you have an idea that comes from your brow chakra, you see it, you've got that heaven connection giving you the inspiration to go forward with that idea. You are able to communicate the idea. You feel the love and the gratitude for having that idea. You're self-empowered through your stomach chakra. You're building good relationships. And now your root chakra is helping you take that idea forward. So if you're feeling lack of motivation, disinterest in life, you've lost hope, or your career is just not going where you want it to go, that's a deficiency in the root chakra. So how do we nourish our energetic anatomy? The chakras are only one type of energetic anatomy, but as you can imagine, it's important to be well nourished in our chakras so that we can live our very best life. So in this video, we talked about why you need to nourish your chakras. In my next video, I'd like to show you how. My name is Isabel Morton. I'm the founder of the Gemstone Therapy Institute, and I wish you all the best on your journey to greater health.